Florida LLC Annual Report. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you've got a Florida LLC, that means every year you need to file an annual report with the state or risk losing your business status. So that's where Busy steps in. It handles everything for you, including the $138.75 filing, and remind you every year so your LLC stays in good standing. Click the link in the description to have Busy file your Florida annual report on your behalf easily and on time. So, first, the question is, what is annual report and why it matters? Each year between January 1st and May 1st, Florida LLC must confirm or update business name, addresses, and managers, keep your registered agent on file, and pay the $138.75 filing fee. So if you have missed deadlines, a $400 late fee applies, and missing the September deadline could dissolve your LLC. So what you got to do is simply head over, click on the link given in the description below, and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you got to do is simply click on Business Management over here, and here you got to click on Annual Report under Services. So once you do click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this, and here you're going to click on Get Started, that is File Your Annual Report. After that, you'll be taken over to an interface like this. After providing your full name, last name, and your email address, you'll have to give your entity type, state of formation, state of service, company name, designator, and then you got to give the company address, and then you got to give some additional company information. Then you got to select whether you have selected the registered agent or not. If you want the registered agent to be an individual or a company, give information about that. Then you got to give the director information. After that, you'll be redirected to the officer information. You got to give information about president, secretary, treasurer, vice president, then mailing address, corporate stock information entered into contract, and should your nonprofit corporation have members, so you can simply select if you want that or not. And then you're going to select general purpose of the nonprofit. And here you're going to select number of women directors if the board of directors contain any women directors. And if the equity ownership is more than 50%, then you're going to select. Then does this corporation own or lease land in Kansas suitable for use in agriculture? And then pending labor judgment against director or manager. Simply fill in this information and you're good to go. So regardless what your business does, Busy keeps your state obligations easy and prompt. So if you're ready to breathe easy and stay compliant, simply click the link in the description to let Busy handle your Florida annual report and say goodbye to Sunbiz headaches. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want walkthrough for other states or compliance guides. I'll see you in the next video.